clip these on, fire it up. Power steering is super easy to move on that wheel. Cruise this car with no problems. I'm not gonna get on it, but just cruising around, very easy to drive. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Looking at the wheel, it's in great condition. Just kind of scanning through that tire. You have a light scuff there, if you can see that. Little one there. Scuff there. Got a chip on the edge. You got a larger chip here that's been touched up, and they did a great job on that. That's in great condition. Scanning that top. Don't see any issues there. Middle side looks good. We'll check out the other side in just a little bit. Making our way down the door. Upper section looks good. Little scuff there. Got a chip in there. Otherwise looks really nice. You do have a dent there and some scratches and gashes. You're gonna see a couple little dents. That looks good. looks nice. Wheels in great condition. That looks awesome. We'll scan through this engine bay. This looks amazing. And it does have a hood that is included, that is already cut out. That will come with the vehicle. I also have a bunch of photos of this, certain part numbers, little things like that on the website. Here on the front end, a couple dimples in the paint there. That light looks good. That light looks nice. The chrome here is in great condition. The grille is in great condition. If you look really close, you're gonna see some light cracking inside there. I don't feel it though, so it's probably internal. That looks good. That looks nice. I mean, it's an absolutely gorgeous car. That wheel's in great condition. Down here we have some chips that have been touched up. They did a great job. A little scuff there. This barely catches my nail, but you do have a light scratch there. Typical swirls, like I said, from everyday washing. This top looks amazing. I don't see any rips or tears anywhere. So far that is pretty much perfect. Here on the door, here on the edge, you can see it is kind of chewed up a little bit. You have your flaws there. The rest of that though looks nice. Light surface scuff here. And at that quarter panel, looks good. That wheel looks nice. Some light scuffs there as well, or little scratches. That looks good. Getting underneath here. Absolutely gorgeous car. Very light flaws here and there. All right, checking out the interior. Handles on there nice and secure. Upper section looks good. Here on the lower side, you do have a little snag there. And if you look on the very edge, a little bit of wear. Otherwise, that panel is nice and clean. That trim looks good. Here on the jambs, they look amazing. All of this is padded and in great condition. Same with the seat. A little scuff there. Otherwise, those look awesome. Here on the steering wheel, it's nice and clean. The middle looks perfect. All of this is very, very nice. A couple little chips on the chrome there. You can see the dash pad here. Looks perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. Carpets are in great condition. All right, checking out the passenger panel. Upper section looks good. Middle solid. Handles on there nice and secure. Very little scuffs here and there. Otherwise in great condition. That trim looks amazing. There's the info on your belts. The leather here looks amazing. Pro car. Bolsters are nice and clean. The carpet looks good. Underside of the dash looks nice. upper side looks amazing as well. Not seeing any cracks or any flaws there. Here on the headliner, looks good. All of this is wrapped. Nice clean finish. That looks amazing. Just gonna scan through this. Looks really good in here. Underside of that deck lid looks nice.